Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the workbook open and a backup saved, so you can act confidently. First, locate the sheet tabs along the bottom and confirm the sheet name you intend to remove. Once done, right-click that tab to reveal options. This is where you start the deletion. Make sure the sheet is not the only sheet in the workbook. Excel prevents deleting the last sheet. Also check for hidden sheets by right-clicking any tab and choosing Unhide if necessary. Now you will actually delete the page. Right-click the Sheet tab and select Delete. This command removes the entire sheet and its data. If Delete is grayed out, stop and check protection settings. Go to Review Unprotect Sheet or File Info to unprotect the workbook. Also unhide any dependent sheets that could be preventing deletion. When Excel asks for confirmation, read it, because once you confirm, the sheet and its contents are removed from the file. Finish by saving the workbook. You save as if you want to keep the original backup. If deletion fails, make sure no macros, VBA code, or shared workbook restrictions are locking sheets. Open the VBA editor or check review settings to remove protections. If you accidentally deleted the wrong sheet, use undo right away or restore the backup file. One key troubleshooting tip: check for hidden worksheets or workbook protection first, because those are the most common reasons the delete option won't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.